welcome to all the finalists of Duke's Presents Sakshi Math B in association with Trips International School. What a competition was this. We had the talent, we had the medley, and we had our flawless participants from AP and Telangana. Sakshi Math B started in 2015 and has successfully done 8 editions. Now, we are in 9th edition and we welcome our Category 2 finalists of Andhra Pradesh. So, before we go into the competition, let me explain and make you understand the rules. In the round 1, each and every student gets 2 questions each. If they answer both the questions right, they make it to the next round. If they answer both the questions wrong, then they would be eliminated. If they answer one question right and one question wrong, then they would be getting a third tiebreaker question, which when answered correctly would make their entry into the next round. Understood, students? Yeah? All the best. Fine. I want each and everybody to participate well with confidence. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So let us invite the first contestant, Trivikram from Vishwa Bharati English Medium School, Anantapur. You would be getting 2 questions, each question for 60 seconds. Okay. First question, Category 2. On the screen, please. The number which has 4,600s and 8 ones is, options please, 4680, 4608, 4068, 4860.
Sir, option C.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option C, 4068. I'm so sorry, dear. 4,600s and 18. No problem, you have one more question. Please understand the question carefully. Okay, no problem, don't worry. Second question. On your screen now, the smallest 4-digit number that can be formed using 0, 1, 2 and 3 is, options please, 123, 1203, 1023, 1230. The smallest 4-digit number that can be formed using 0, 1, 2 and 3 is?
Sir, option C.
Please lock option C, 1023. The right one, dear. Let's invite the second contestant, Sri Kruti from Edify World School, Kurnool. Question for Sri Kruti, please. If 499 is rounded off to the nearest 100, it becomes, options please, 500, 400, 600, 300. Read the options carefully.
Option A.
Please lock option A, 500. The right one. Next question, dear. 60 seconds. On your screen now. The sum of the place values of 2 and 9 in 2495 is, options please, 2040, 2050, 2090, 2009.
Option C.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option C, 2090. The right one. Let me invite the third contestant, Advik Gautam from Edify World School, Tirupati. First question, Advik. On the screen now, the sum of the smallest 3-digit number and 99 is, options please, 199, 1099, 100, 1000. Read the question carefully.
Option A, 199, sir.
Please lock option A, 199. The right one, dear. Next question, Advik. On the screen now, 999 plus 99 plus 9. Options please. Sum of these is 1137, 1127, 1117, 1107. Read it, understand it carefully, dear.
So option D, 1107, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option D, 1107. The right one. Let me invite the fourth contestant, Samanvi from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Ready, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question on the screen now. 240 plus 790 is same as, options please, 630 plus 300, 850 plus 280, 400 plus 630, 400 plus 620. Relax and answer it.
So option C, 400 plus 600.
Please lock option C, 400 plus 630 is the right one, dear. Next question. On your screen now. 360 people visited a science exhibition in the first week of May. The number of people increased by 100 in the second week. The total number of people who visited the exhibition in first 2 weeks is. Options please. 820, 460, 560, 720.
Option A, sir, 820.
Please lock option A, 820. The right one, dear. Let me invite the fifth contestant, Ashrita from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Ashrita, first question on your screen now. 358 minus 308 is same as. Options please. 10 plus 70, 28 plus 22, 100 minus 40, none. Read the question.
Sir, it's option D, none.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Shall I lock it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock D, none. The option is B. Check it, understand it. No worries. Well tried. One more question coming for you. On the screen, read it carefully.
Okay, sir.
Question please. Rajat and Rashi together have a total of 378 stamps. If Rajat has 219 stamps, then Rashi has. Options please. 378, 159, 169, 179. Read it, understand it carefully, ma.
Sir, it's option B, 159.
Option B, 159. Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please lock option B, 159. Is the right one. Let us invite the sixth contestant, Ashwin from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. First question, Ashwin. On your screen now. What is the difference between successor and predecessor of a number? Options please. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Option B, 2, sir.
Are you sure? Successor and predecessor of a number. Please lock option B, 2. The right one. Next question. On your screen now. If 1256 plus 2456 is 3712, 2456 plus 1256 is, you have the statement here. Options please. Less than 3712, greater than 3712, equal to 3712, none of these.
Option C, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option C, equal to 3712. The right one. Let me invite the seventh contestant, Harini Pragnya from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. Question for Harini. On the screen, 2406 plus 3128 plus 1096 is equal to 630. Which of the following is true? Options please. The options are as follows. Please read it properly. 30 seconds left.
Option A, sir.
Please lock option A. Sorry dear, it's the wrong answer. Each and every option is right. If you see here, if you do the sum na, you'll get each and everything is same. You do not have any different sort here. Right? Okay. No problem. You have one more question. On the screen please. Twinkle spends rupees 90 at a restaurant. She also had to pay service charge of rupees 19. How much did Twinkle have to pay? Options please. 99,
Option B.
109, 119, 89.
Option B, 109.
Please lock option B, 109. The right one, dear. Let me invite the eighth contestant, Karthikeya from Murali Upper Primary School, Kadapa. So you will be having 2 questions to answer. Fine. Read it, understand it carefully. Okay. Question on the screen, please. 1 paisa should be written as. Options, please. Rupees 1001, rupees 0.01, rupees 0.10, rupees 0.1. Read the question, understand it carefully.
Sir, option D.
Are you sure, dear? Please lock option D, rupees 0.1. I'm so sorry, dear. It is option B, rupees 0.01. 1 rupees equal to 100 paisa, right? So we have to do like that. You have one more question, Karthikeya. Second question on the screen for you. Ramu took half an hour to reach school. How many minutes did he take? Options, please. 60 minutes, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes.
Option C.
Please lock option C, 30 minutes. The right one. Let me invite the 9th contestant, Prateek, from Dr. KKR Gautam, Gudivada. Prateek, first question on your screen now. The median of the data 3456734 is. Options please. 5, 3, 4, 6. The median of the data.
Sir, option D.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option D, 6. Sorry, dear. Option C4 is the right answer. Right? This comes in a part called statistic. Right? Okay, fine. You have one more chance. Okay? Utilize it properly. Next question for Prateek on the screen. If 5 more than 3 times a number is 17, then the number is. Options please. 4, 5, 2, 3. 5 more than 3 times a number is 17. Then number is. Read the question properly. It has a sublogic in it.
Sir, option D, 3.
Option D3. Sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option D3. I'm so sorry, dear. 3 is the wrong answer. Option A, 4 is the right answer. I told you it has a sublogic in it. No problem. Well tried, guys. Well tried. Now let me move on to the next contestant and call upon contestant number 10, Mithun from Vishwabharati English Medium School, Anantapur. Mithun, first question on your screen is, if in PQR, if PQ is equal to QR and Q is equal to 100 degrees, then R is equal to, options please, 40, 80, 120, 50. Please consider this question mark as an angle.
Sir, option D 50.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes.
Please lock option D 50. I'm so sorry, dear. It's a wrong answer. Option A 40 is the right answer. No problem. You have one more question to do it. Second question for Mithun. On the screen, please. The measure of an angle which is 3 times its supplement is dash degrees. Options please. 45, 90, 135, 180. The measure of an angle which is 3 times its supplement is.
Option B 90.
Please lock option B 90. I'm so sorry, dear. Option C 135 was the right answer. No problem. Well played. Well played. Let me invite contestant number 11, Krishna from Laurel Heights Global School, Rajamandri. Krishna, first question on your screen now. The perimeter of a rectangle with length 2a plus 3b and breadth a plus b is. Options are 2 into 3a plus 4b, a plus 2b, 2a plus 3b into a plus b. Option D 5. Read the question. Understand it properly. You already have this chapter. Perimeter of a rectangle.
Option C.
Option C. Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please lock option C 2a plus 3b into a plus b. Here it is perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus b. No problem. Please make sure that you are understanding the next question right. Okay. Next question for Krishna. On the screen, please. If ABC, height AD is 3 centimeters, its area is 9 centimeters square, then its base BC is. Options, please. 6 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Read the question properly. You have enough time with you. The base BC is.
Option C.
Please lock option C 12 centimeters. Dear, I'm so sorry. It is 6 centimeters. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. When you equate this, you get this sum. No problem. Well tried, dear. Well tried. No problem. Let's invite the 12th contestant, Jatin from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. Jatin, first question. On your screen now. Which of the following English alphabet has reflectional symmetry about a vertical mirror? Reflectional symmetry about a vertical mirror. Options please. B, D, V, E. English alphabet that reflectory symmetry about a vertical mirror. A vertical mirror.
Sir, option B.
Please recheck it. Are you sure it is B? Sure? Please log option D. Here, it is wrong. Option C, V is the right answer. It's a reflectionary symmetry about a vertical mirror. Next question. On your screen now. The number of lines of symmetry for a semicircle is. Symmetry for a semicircle is. Options please. 1, 2, 3, infinite. Number of lines of symmetry for a semicircle is.
Sir, option D.
Please log option B2. So sorry, dear. Yes, 1 semicircle. No problem. Well played. Well played. Let me invite contestant number 13, Tarak from Oval Winlet School, Nellore. Tarak,
Yes, sir.
understand the question properly.
Yes.
Right? Read the options carefully. Fine.
Yes.
It also may have sub questions in that. Right? First question for Tarak. On the screen, please. The product of the place value of 323 is in 53432 is. Options are 9,000, 90,000, 10,000, 9,900.
Option B, 90,000.
Please log option B, 90,000. It's the right one, Tarak. Tarak, next question, Tarak.
Yes.
On the screen now. The difference between the greatest and the smallest numbers, which when rounded off to the nearest thousands as 9,000 is. Options are 1,000, 990, 999, 900. Read the question carefully. It has two parts in it. The difference between largest and the smallest numbers, which when rounded off to the nearest thousands as 9,000 is. The difference between.
Option A.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option A, 1,000. Dear, A is the wrong answer. 999 is the right answer, but no problem. Well played. Well. Now let me invite the contestant number 14, Mokshita Reddy from GMR International School, Kadapa. First question for Mokshita. On the screen, please. 1 meter 25 centimeters is dash centimeters. Options are 125 centimeters, 1.25 centimeters, 1025 centimeters, 12.5 centimeters. Read the question properly. 1 meter 25 centimeters is dash centimeters.
Option A, sir.
Are you sure, sir? Okay. Please lock option A, 125 centimeters. Is the right one? Okay. Now, second question. On the screen for you. The angle between hours and minute hand of a clock at 9 o'clock hour. Options, please. 60 degrees and 300 degrees, 270 degrees and 90 degrees, 75 degrees and 285 degrees, 30 degrees and 330 degrees. Understand this carefully and then give me an answer. Angle between hour and minutes hand of a clock at 9 o'clock hour.
Option B, sir.
Please lock option B, 270 degrees and 90 degrees. That's the right one, dear. Let me invite our 15th contestant, Hemachand from Pratibha English Medium School, Elur. First question on your screen now. The ratio equivalent to 2:3 is. Options, please. 4:3, 2:6, 6:9, 10:9.
Option A, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please log option A, 4:3. Dear, so sorry. The option C, 6:9 is the right one. No problem. You have one more option to do it. Fine. Next question. On your screen now. The perimeter of a regular decagon is AX meters. The length of each of its sides is. Options please. X plus 10 meters, x divided by 10 meters, x minus 10 meters, 10 divided by x meters. Read the question, understand it carefully.
Option A, sir.
Please lock option A, x plus 10 meters. Dear, it is wrong, dear. Option B is right, but no problem. Well played, dear. Well. In the next round, we will be having a tiebreaker round. Okay? Whoever student have told one answer right and one answer wrong, they would be having a question which they have to answer in 45 seconds. Right? All the best. Let me call upon the first contestant, Trivikram from Vishwabharati English Medium School, Anantapur. Ready? 45 seconds. One question. On your screen now. How many negative integers are there in between 1 and minus 3? Options please. 2, 3, 4, 1. Negative integers are there in between 1 and minus 3.
Sir, option A.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option A, 2. The right one, dear. Let's call upon the contestant number 5, Ashrita from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. One question on your screen now. Which of the following is the correct order? Options, please. Your options are as follows. Read the options, understand it properly.
Sir, it's option B.
Please lock option B. So sorry, dear. Option A is the right answer. The correct order, dear. No problem. Well played, no problem. Let me invite contestant number 7, Harini Pragnya from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. Question for Harini. On the screen, please. Which of the following statements is true? Options, please. The options are as follows. Understand it. Understand the options.
Option B, sir.
Are you sure, dear? Option B. Please log option B. The right one, dear. Let's invite contestant number 8, Kartikeya from Murali Upper Primary School, Kadapa. One question, 45 seconds. On the screen now. Perimeter of a square of side 4 meters is. Options please. 4 meters, 8 meters, 16 meters, 24 meters. Read the question, understand this. Perimeter of a square of side 4 meters is. Also see the timer.
Sir, option C.
Are you sure, dear? Please lock option C. 16 meters is the right one, dear. Let me invite contestant number 13, Tarak from Oval Winlight School, Nellore. Question for Tarak. On the screen, please. Which of the following decimals is the greatest? Options are as follows. Which of the following decimals is the greatest?
Option C.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option C. Is the right one, dear. Now we enter into the next round, wherein each and every student would be getting one question with a time limit of 30 seconds. You have to read it, understand it, analyze, right? All the best. Fine. Let me invite the first contestant, Trivikram from Vishwabharati English Medium School, Anantapur. 30 seconds. Okay. On the screen now. Which observation in the data as follows has maximum frequency? Options please. 4, 3, 1, 2. Maximum frequency in the data given to you.
Sir, option A.
Option A.
Yes.
4. Are you sure?
Yes.
Please lock option A, 4. I'm so sorry. Option 2 is the right answer because 2 was repeated 4 times and 4 was repeated only 2 times. Frequency. No problem. Well tried, Trivikram. Well tried. The next contestant number 2, Sri Kruti from Edify World School, Kurnool. One question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. The cost of 10 pencils is 100. Then the cost of 2 pencils is. Options please. 90, 20, 40, 200. Read the question carefully, understand it properly, ma.
Sir, option B, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option B, 20. The right one, dear. Let me invite the third contestant, Advait Gautam from Edify World School, Tirupati. Advait, good to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please understand the question. Okay. Question on your screen now. The ratio of rupees 6 to 60 paisa is. Options please. 1:10, 10:1, 1:1, 100:1. The ratio of. Understand the question? The ratio of.
Option B, 10 to 1, sir.
Please lock option B, 10:1. The right one, dear. Let me invite contestant number 4, Samanvi from Trips International School, Rajahmundry. Ready?
Yes, sir.
One question on your screen, 30 seconds. Now,
Yes, sir.
on a shelf, books with green cover and that with brown cover are in the ratio of 2:3. If there are 18 books with green cover, then the number of books with brown cover is. Options please. 12, 24, 27, 36.
So option B, 24.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Option B, 24. Dear, I'm so sorry. Option C, 27 is the right answer. No problem. Well tried, dear. Well tried. Let me invite Ashwin from Vijeta IIT Foundation, Guntur. 30 seconds, Ashwin. Fine. On the screen now. Which of the following statement is true? Options, please. The product of two even numbers is always even. The sum of three odd numbers is even. All prime numbers are odd. Prime numbers do not have any factors. Please understand each and every statement and please give me an answer.
Option yes, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
The product of two even numbers is always even. Please lock the right one. Let me invite contestant number 7, Harini from Vijeta IIT Foundation, Guntur. First question on the screen, 30 seconds. Now, which of the following statements is incorrect? Options, please. 0 is neither a negative integer nor a positive integer. 0 is larger than every negative integer. 0 is less than every positive integer. Farther a number from 0 on the left, larger is its value. Please understand the question. Incorrect.
Option D, sir.
Okay. Please lock option D. Is the right one. Let me invite contestant number 8, Karthikeya from Murali Upper Primary School, Kadapa. 30 seconds. One question on your screen now. If the given number x is divisible by both 5 and 10, then the value of x is. Options, please. 2, 5, 0, 50. Divisible by both 5 and 10. The value of x is. Last 8 seconds, dear. Last 4 seconds.
Sir, option B.
Please lock option B. Sorry, dear, it's the wrong answer. Option C. Okay, no problem. Well tried, well tried. Let me invite contestant number 13, Tarak from Oval Winlight School, Nellore. One question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. If you're facing west and turns anti-clockwise through 3/4 of the revolution, what is the direction that you will be facing? Understand this directional wise. Options, please. East, west, north, south. 3/4 of the revolution.
Option C.
Please lock option C, north. The right one, dear. Let me invite contestant number 14, Mokshita from GMR International School, Kadapa. Mokshita, one question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. The number of right angles turned by hour hand of a clock when it does 12 to 3 is. Options, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right angles turn through by our hand of a clock when it turns 12 to 3 is when it goes from 12 to 3. Understand this. Last 7 seconds, dear.
Option B, sir.
Please lock option B 2. I'm so sorry, dear. Option A 1 is the right answer. No problem, dear. No problem. Well played. Guys, let's cheer up our friend. Let me invite the second contestant, A. Shri Kruta from Edify World School, Kurnool. 30 seconds. One question, dear. Fine. On the screen now. Sum of first three common multiples of 2, 3 and 6 is. Options please. 6, 12, 18, 36. Read the question, understand it properly. First three common multiples of 2, 3 and 6. 10 seconds.
C.
Please log option C, 18. Dear, I'm so sorry. It is 36. Fine, no problem. Well tried. Well tried. Let me invite the next contestant. Contestant number 3, Advik from Edify World School, Tirupati. 30 seconds. One question. On your screen now. When Q is added to the number 8, the result is divisible by 14. What could Q be? Options please. 48, 68, 78, 80. When Q is added to the number 8, the result is divisible by 14. What could be Q? 48, 68, 78, 80. Last 7 seconds, dear. Last 3 seconds, dear. I'm so sorry, but well played. Now we call upon the next contestant. Contestant number 6, Ashwin from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. Ready, dear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Confident?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. One question, 30 seconds. On the screen now. A school had an enrollment of 1400 pupils. When 100 boys and of girls were absent, the number of girls present was equal to the number of boys present. How many more girls than boys were there in? Options please. 250, 200, 300, 350. Understand the question, there are two sub-things in it. Last 10 seconds, dear. Last.
Option C.
Please log option C, 300. I'm so sorry, dear. Option B is the right answer. No problem. Well played, well played. Let me invite next contestant. Contestant number 7, Harini Pragnya from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. Comfortable, ma? Okay. One question, 30 seconds. On your screen now. The base of a triangle is 28 centimeters long and its height is 5 centimeters long. Find the area of a triangle. Options please. 70 centimeters square, 140 centimeters square, 322 centimeters square, 462 centimeters square.
Option D.
Please log option
D.
D, 462 centimeters. You're right. Let me invite the next contestant, contestant number 13, Tarak from Oval Winlight School, Nellore. Tarak, 30 seconds. On the screen, one question. Now, Sarwan gave some stickers to Kiran and Ravi in the ratio 5:9. If he gives away 350 stickers, how many stickers did Ravi receive? Options please. 125, 174, 195, 225. Please read the question. It has two parts. Also have a tap at your timer, dear. Last 7 seconds, dear.
Option B.
Lock option B, 174. I'm so sorry, dear. Option D is the right answer, but no problem. Well tried, well tried. Let me invite Sri Kruta from Edify World School, Kurnool. Sri Kruta, we have 3 prizes. Okay? You should not lose your hope. Still, we have to fight. Come on. Question on the screen, please. Advik, Riyan and Ricky shared some beans in the ratio of 15 is to 9 is to 11. If Ricky ate 24 more beans than Rian, how many beans did Advik ate? Options please. 108, 132, 145, 180. Understand this. This is in a ratio. Understand the problem. Last 10 seconds, dear. Think.
Sir, option C.
Please lock option C, 145. Dear, I'm so sorry. 180. You have to solve this in a ratio and proportion equations where you have the names and where you have the ratios. And you also have the sum here. You have to solve it. No problem. Well tried, dear. Well tried. Let me invite the next contestant, Advik from Edify World School, Tirupati. Question on your screen now. How many twin primes are there in between 1 and 100? Options please. 6, 10, 7, 8. How many twin primes are there in between 1 and 100? Last 15 seconds, dear.
Option D, 8, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option D, 8. Right answer, dear. Let me invite contestant number 6, Ashwin from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. Please understand the question carefully. Question on the screen, please. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5. If the longest side is 15 centimeters, what is the perimeter of the triangle? Options, please. 18 centimeters, 48 centimeters, 24 centimeters, 36 centimeters.
Option D.
Are you
36.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Please recheck. You still have 18 seconds left.
Yes, sir.
Option D. Please lock option D. The right one, dear. Let me invite the next contestant. Contestant number 13, Tarak from Oval Winlight School, Nellore. Tarak, very few times you get a second chance. Right? We have to do this. Come on. Question for Tarak. On the screen, please. The value of 11.047 rounded off to the nearest tens is. Options, please. The options are below. Nearest tens.
Option A.
Please lock option A. Right one, dear. Let me invite Tadvik one more time from Edify World School, Tirupati. Ready, Advik? Okay. Question on your screen now. The HC of two numbers is 28 and their LCM is 336. If one of the number is 112, find the other. Options, please. 74, 84, 78, 48. Read it, understand it carefully, Advik.
Option A, 74, sir.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes, sir.
Please lock option A, 74. I'm so sorry, dear. Option B, 84 is the right answer, but impressed. Well, then we invite contestant number 6, Ashwin from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. Question for Ashwin. On the screen, please. How many matchsticks are needed to make the Roman numbers equivalent to 29? Options, please. 6, 7, 9, 10. How many matchsticks are needed to make the Roman numeral equivalent to 29?
Sir, option B, 7.
Are you sure, dear?
Yes.
Please lock option B, 7. The right one, dear. Let me invite contestant number 13, Tarak from Oval Winlight School, Nellore. Tarak, 30 seconds. One question on your screen now. If drink is equal to 6 and if pollution is equal to 10, how is government coded? Options, please. 8, 10, 12, 11. Understand the question? It has a logic. Drink is equal to 6, pollution is equal to 10. How is government coded? Last 5 seconds, Tarak.
Option C.
Please lock option C, 12. I'm so sorry, Tarak. Option D is the right answer. No problem, no problem. Well tried. Let me invite Advik one more time from Edify World School, Tirupati. Advik, you still have a chance, dude. Right? Come on. Advik, 30 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Can I please have the question on the screen, please? If minus means x, and if x means plus, and if plus means divided by, and divided by means minus, then 40 into 12 plus 3 minus 6 divided by 60 is. Read the question, Advik. Fine. Options, please. 7.95, 16, 44, 4. Understand the equation?
Yes, sir.
It is in the form of an equation. Last 10 seconds, Advik. Advik, 3 seconds. So sorry, Advik, but appreciate. Now let me invite contestant number 13, Tarak from Oval Wenlight School, Nellore. 30 seconds, one question. On the screen now. 6 ballpoint pens cost the same as a fountain pen. 4 ballpoint pens cost the same as 8 pencils. How many pencils have the same cost as 4 fountain pens? The question has 3 segments, understand it. Right? Options, please. 44, 46, 47, 48. 6 ball pens equal to fountain pen. 4 ball pens cost same as 8 pencils. How much cost is 4 fountain pens?
Option D.
Please lock option D, 48. You bag the bronze. So after this exciting challenge, after this journey of making everybody fall in love with learning, we have our 3 winners. But for me, everybody is a winner, guys. Just clap for yourself. Irrespective of the winning and losing, you have participated extremely well. Extremely well. Trust me. Right? Everybody is a winner here. But to take a road turn, we have 3 winners with us who are our friends. Fine. The bronze medal goes to Tarak from Oval Wenlight School, Nellore. And the silver is backed by Ashwin from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. And the most awaiting moment and the most awaiting award, banging gold, is done by Harini Pragnya from Vijayata IIT Foundation, Guntur. Congratulations, everybody. Keep up the same spirit. After this uphill battle of competing and also the excellence, we land on to the conclusion of this competition. I seriously had a lot of things for this tiny tots. Before I exactly tell about that, I would request Mr. Vamsi and Mr. Rupa to kindly just come on to the dais. So, sir, how do you exactly feel about our children?
They're all pretty good, actually. It was very, very tough questions for them, and they have done really, really well, actually. Probably they have given you a tough fight for the last 3 positions, I suppose. Yeah,
Everybody has given me
everyone
that.
has actually given a tough fight, actually. Very well done, children.
Yeah, I can see a few of very happy students and a few students very sad. But in reality, maths is always connected with intelligence. So those who are very good in maths are very intelligent, and those who are very intelligent are always good in maths. So all these kids here, you're all very intelligent as well as good in maths, right? So don't be upset, and congratulations for coming and reaching to the finals, and all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now we'll just move on with the main event, which is the prize distribution. Fine. So let's have all our participants and a big round of applause for our guys. Now let's come and announce the three magnificent people here who's sitting with innocent faces, but yes, have a lot of things in them. So let me invite the bronze medalist, Tarak from Oval Winlight School, Nellore. And we have the shiny winner called Ashwin from Vijayata ID Foundation Guntur for bagging the silver. And we have our gold winner, Harini Pragna from Vijayata IIT Foundation Guntur, who bags the gold and gets 7,000 rupees of cash prize and a gift hamper from Dukes.